Today, I will be sharing a very effective face mask for instant skin tightening, whitening, and brightening. This face mask works as a natural Botox. This face pack also helps to shrink large open pores and reduce the formation of blackheads. Please subscribe to my channel. We will need an egg. Separate the egg white from egg yolk. Eggs contain lutein, which helps in nourishing, hydrating, and boosting the elasticity of your skin. Please press the like button. Beat it, Udall. It will be foamy. Add a tablespoon of coffee. Mix it very well. After mixing, one tablespoon of olive oil, 3 to 4 drops of glycerine, mix it very well. Add a teaspoon of rice flour, 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. Mix all the ingredients very well. Make it lump-free. Transfer into a clean container. How to use it? Wash your face with a cleanser. Apply it on your neck and hands. If you like the video, please like, comment, and share with your family and friends. You can use this mask twice a week. Leave it for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, wash your face. Apply any moisturizer. You will get instant results from this face pack.